At midnight, Amendment 3 is set to go into effect, restoring access to abortion in Missouri. But exactly what will be allowed is still very much in limbo tonight, as we are awaiting a judge's ruling in that. But this morning, there was a prayer vigil outside Planned Parenthood in the Central West End. Anti-abortion advocates are pushing for many of the state's abortion restrictions to stay in place. Our Missouri Capitol reporter Hannah Falcon is live for us tonight in Jefferson City, breaking down what's ahead. Hannah.
Yeah, that legal battle over abortion access in Missouri is far from over. You can expect many more hearings and debates over what will be allowed to come in the future, but Planned Parenthood says it is ready to start offering abortions as soon as it gets permission from courts. Even though Missourians voted to bring abortion back to the state, the laws still stand, banning and restricting abortion. Planned Parenthood has filed to overturn those laws, but it will be a lengthy legal process.
The state's trying to delay, distract, and ultimately deny Missourians from accessing abortion care, but Missourians have been heard. Planned Parenthood says it is ready to start offering walk-in abortion appointments tomorrow at 3 Missouri locations, including this one here in Columbia. The other locations are St. Louis and Kansas City.
Are you kidding me? Walk-in appointments for something that is going to change a person for the rest of their life?
Anti-abortion advocates were outside all 5 Missouri Planned Parenthood locations today. Kathy Ford has long stood against Planned Parenthood and encourages women to seek alternatives to abortion.
It is dangerous, and we are advising women, do not go to these places.
Planned Parenthood Great Plains CEO Emily Wales maintains that the argument is no longer about whether or not abortion is safe, saying that Missourians have already spoken on the matter.
What we have are trained providers and staff. We are ready to provide care. We're experts in doing this. What we don't have are the abilities to overcome state restrictions and hurdles that were intended to deny care.
The Attorney General's office maintains that lifting all of these restrictions is taking it too far. They're fighting to keep some of them in place, including one that requires a 72-hour waiting period after an initial appointment and in-person appointments. Reporting live in Jefferson City, I'm Hannah Falcon, First Alert 4.
Hannah, thank you. Right now, Bill